outro, how to maintain your subscribers, how to maintain your viewers, how to increase viewers, how to do a quality video that probably like up to 10-20 minutes, right? Some people do some like hours and hours of videos. Hello, good morning. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Right, I'm here. Look at this. This is Hari Raya uniform. See? Hari Raya. Selamat Hari Raya. See this? This is all the shop. See? I can show you around. Alright. Now, I bought some cakes. What else did I do? Okay, now this one I bought some cakes here. It's a beautiful cake, Hari Raya cake. Awesome. Winter cake. I can show you. This is a very good cake. It's a Hari Raya. Here. And see this? Awesome. Okay. Awesome, bro. Like putting all this here. This can be done. So if you really want to go to YouTube, do whatever you like, right? Just make a choice, right? On my YouTube channel, there's a lot of things, right? You can see passionate about cooking. You can open up a restaurant, do a YouTube channel, right? So you can have millions of subscribers and viewers, and you can gain some income on that. And yeah, YouTube channel, doing your YouTube channel, you have to understand all that, how to make a good video, how to make a good thumbnails, how to do an intro, how to do a storyline, how to make an exit, outro, how to maintain your subscribers, how to maintain your viewers, how to increase viewers, how to do a quality video that probably like up to 10-20 minutes, right? Some people do some like hours and hours of videos without fail, and they still sustain a really good amount of viewers. And for you out there who's just starting YouTube only, you need 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot. And 1,000 subscribers, that's easy. 4,000 watch hours, to maintain that, you really have to have a good video, YouTube video. That's good. So yeah, that's about it. That's a platform. That's a platform whereby you can use it for something. Not there's millions of dollars on the road right here. Create more videos. It's also good. I'm creating lots of videos, right, for my YouTube channel. That's good. Alright, thank you for watching. Ciao.